This tutorial demonstrates how to make calls within HEMSP. You will learn the complete process from accessing calling features to logging call details. To access calls in the contact record profile, click on Activities. Then click on the Calls tab. To make a call, click on Actions and then click on Make a Call. The pop-up page will display the phone number of the student. In case of multiple campuses, in the Call from drop-down selection, you can select your campus number and then click Make Call. You might be prompted to enable the microphone, so you have to click Allow. The call is in progress. Once your call is complete, click the Hang Up button. Select the call status based on your call outcome, and add any note or description about the related call. Once complete, click on the Save Call Details button. The recording of the call and all saved details are added to the call's log. You can view, edit, or delete the call log from the drop-down actions. You have also the option to log a call manually by selecting the Add Call Log option. From the Actions button, you can add the status of the call, the direction outbound or inbound, the date and time of the call, in addition to any call notes or description. And once complete, click Save Call Log. This tutorial guided you through making calls within HEMSP, including initiating calls, logging call details, and handling call records. You can now confidently make and log calls, as well as review call histories for effective communication management.